In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set working hours in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open Slack. You can do this either by launching the Slack desktop app if you have it installed, or by simply navigating to the Slack website and selecting Use Slack in your browser. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar layout of your workspace. Next, we want to get to the preferences. To do this, look down in the lower left corner of your screen where you'll find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up, and from there you want to select Preferences. This will open up a new window where you can customize various settings in your Slack workspace. Once you have the Preferences window open, the next step is to go to the Notifications section. If you look at the top of the list on the left side of that window, you'll see various categories. Click on Notifications. This is where we can manage how and when Slack notifies you about messages and updates. Now, what we're specifically looking for is the notification schedule. Scroll down a bit in the Notifications section until you find the area labeled Allow Notifications. Here, you'll find the option to customize your notification schedule. This is really handy because it allows you to set your working hours, ensuring that Slack won't send you alerts outside of those times. Let's go ahead and set your hours. You'll notice that you can choose a custom start time and an end time for your workday. Click on the options to adjust these settings according to your own schedule. For instance, if you typically start work at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m., enter those times. You can also select specific days when you will be working. This means if you're not available on weekends or certain holidays, you can easily customize that too. Once you've updated your working hours, Slack will automatically mute all alerts and notifications outside of these times. This is a fantastic feature for those of us who want to maintain a healthy work-life balance. You won't be disturbed during your personal time, allowing you to focus on what matters most. After you've set everything up, take a moment to review your selections to ensure they align perfectly with your schedule. It's an easy step, but super important for maximizing your productivity while also taking care of your personal space. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set your working hours in Slack effectively. This ensures that you're only getting notifications when you actually want them, so thus leading to a much more organized and stress-free work environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and